This is a pretty cool sight to see, honestly. Bought another tow truck, and it's a big element to the company. Obviously, protecting our assets is very important. We need to make sure that all these cars have less miles on them, less liability, less wear and tear. It's a pretty cool experience when you order a Lamborghini and it comes straight to your front door and it gets delivered, and it comes with a beautiful tow truck. Obviously, this is a tool that we use for the company, and I just love trucks, man. What's there not to love?